For number 1, you're being asked to simplify and find excluded values. So, the first step is to factor everything. And when we factor, we always, and there are no exceptions to this, always look for what they have in common first. So, in the numerator, 56 and 14, do they have anything in common? Yes, they're both multiples of 14. If you did not choose 14, that means that you did not choose a large enough number, and I will talk about that in a moment. If you do choose 14, that gives you 4c minus 1. On the bottom, 24 and 6 are multiples of 6, which also gives you 4c minus 1. How convenient. At that point, we see that 4c minus 1 is on the top and the bottom, so we can cancel them. We also see a 14 over 6, which can be reduced to 7 over 3. That is the fully reduced form of this problem. But now we need to find the excluded values. So, this is the part that a lot of people may not remember because it's been a while. Excluded values require you to take your denominator right before you cross things out and solve it for 0. So I'm going to take my 6 times 4c minus 1 and solve it for 0. When you do this, you split it and you solve each piece of it for 0. Because if one piece is 0, all of it is 0. I would solve for 6 equals 0, but that's just ridiculous. There's no variable there, so that's nothing. And I'm going to solve for 4c minus 1 equals 0. Doing that, I would add 1, so 4c equals 1, divide by 4, so I get 1/4. That means that this number, 1/4, is my only excluded value. So in my answer, I say, comma, c cannot equal 1/4. And all of that together is the final answer.